Hey friends, who's hungry? Creamy, spicy, and totally irresistible, this blackened shrimp Alfredo is the kind of pasta dinner that tastes like it came from a restaurant. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook 16 ounces of fettuccine noodles until al dente. Before draining, save about half a cup to 1 cup of pasta water. While the pasta cooks, season the shrimp. Add 1 to 1.5 pounds of large shrimp to a bowl and toss with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of blackened seasoning. You can use your favorite store-bought seasoning or check out my video on how to make your own. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes per side until blackened and cooked through. Remove and set aside. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter, then saute 3 cloves of minced garlic for about 30 seconds. Pour in 1.5 cups of heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer. Slowly stir in 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan cheese, season with half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Add the cooked fettuccine to the sauce and toss until coated, using the reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce if needed. Finish by topping the pasta with the blackened shrimp. Serve hot, garnish with fresh parsley, extra Parmesan cheese, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.